What is good nutrition? So to improve your nutrition, you're obviously going to know what is it? Like, what would good nutrition even look like? What would this be? Well, to start off with, what does good nutrition do? First off, helps you look good. Now everyone's thinking this automatically. Good nutrition helps you look good. This is going to be body composition. So losing body fat, gaining muscle, nutrition should be geared towards that. Second one is going to be feeling good. You shouldn't be feeling crappy or feeling like I have no energy from your nutrition. Nutrition should help you, give you energy for your workouts, energy to attack your day, energy to live a good life. The last thing is going to be being healthy. You have to have nutrition that's going to be geared towards being healthy. So this is going to be enough nutrients, enough vitamins, all those sort of things. Good nutrition is also not perfect. You don't have to be perfect with your nutrition. So people think, oh, I have to be on this strict diet like 100% of the time. You don't. You really don't. But if 80 to 90% of the time your nutrition is good, you're going to be okay. Now, what does this look like in terms of what actual things you're going to be eating? Protein source. Main protein source should be at each meal. Clean proteins like chicken or fish. Those are going to be some huge ones. Veggies. Plenty of veggies. I'll go into more specifics a bit later, but every meal, essentially you're trying to have protein source, veggies, carb-dense carbohydrates. So these are complex carbs like oats or like brown rice or sweet potatoes, stuff like that. Those are going to be the major carb sources. Last thing is going to be healthy fats. So almonds, nuts, those types of things. Those things encompass a meal. That should be like your majority of the time, 80 to 90% of the time, that's what you want to be eating. Those things will encompass good nutrition. There'll be more specifics coming up in other lectures in terms of what that's actually going to look like, even more so with a portion control guide, top 10 foods, that type of thing. But this is going to be the basics on what good nutrition is. So now you know what good nutrition is, that's what you're trying to reach towards. I'll help you along the way as we go forward.